What do you find attractive in a guy?
In a guy? Dressing sense.
And what are the red flags?
Red flags. I think being more possessive.
Okay, what do you find attractive in a guy?
I mean, if they put efforts in taking you out or planning the dates, that is very attractive.
And what are the red flags?
Red flags are kind of like he doesn't text you or call you throughout the day, and then he texts you like, oh sorry, I was busy with my work. That might be the biggest red flag.
Okay, being careless. Something like that, being careless.
Yes, not caring enough.
Okay. What do you find attractive in a guy?
Height.
His loyalty and caring.
No, when you see him for the first time, what is it? That's the question.
Anything. Loyalty also
Okay.
makes sense. Did you say loyalty? Yeah. Okay. And what are the red flags?
Red flags. When he tries to be something he's not,
Makes sense.
to fit in some.
Trying to impress you too much.
Yeah.
Same. Yeah.
What do you find attractive in a guy?
His height, smile, height.
And what would be the red flags?
Ooh. Red flags. When he asks to do something, when he points out that you have to do so and so thing, so that's obviously a red flag. Being demanding, like it should be out of my heart. He shouldn't demand stuff.
Bossing around, like you're not supposed to do this, you're not supposed to do that, forcing his opinion on others.
What do you find attractive in a guy?
In a guy, I think his attitude.
Attitude?
Yeah, I think definitely his attitude, and also if he has a good sense of humor,
Okay.
that also helps, yeah.
What are the red flags?
Red flags. He spends too much on himself.
I think disrespect. If he's not respectful, that is a very big pet peeve for me at least, yeah. Has to be respectful and has to be honest. I think transparency is very important, so yeah.
What do you find attractive in a guy?
I find attractive his character.
Character.
Yeah.
And what are the red flags?
Red flags. There are so many to discuss about it. One thing which I think main is that time, giving time. If you want to give time, you can give time. If you want to, you will do it.
What do you find attractive in a guy?
Eyes. Face.
And red flags ain't it? What are the red flags?
Red flags, like not understanding the girliness, like few things about the girl.
Okay.
Like usually girls will be having the shopping, everything kind of thing. Red flag is that when girls go shopping, he needs to come. They're little scared or okay when we say shopping means they'll back off. No, so that is a red flag. We don't like that.
What do you find attractive in a girl?
Hairstyle.
Hairstyle. And for you, a boy?
Dressing style and hairstyle.
And red flags ain't it? What you don't like?
Show off.
Show off. Yes.
Attitude and ego.
Okay. Attitude and ego.